Sometimes hard, sometimes it's easy. प्रेम से बोले श्री रामचंद्र भगवान की जय. So devotees and friends, Sitaram to one and all, and welcome to this. I am not in the count, so somebody please remind me which one of the yatra this is. Nobody counting, so we gotta check it out next week for you. But the yatra is well on the way. Although we were down in the lockdown, we went virtual. But as soon as it opened up, then we'll be moving again the yatra to different parts of the community and different communities as the yatra is intended to. However, we have not completed 52 yet. I'm sure about that. 26, I mean. It's 2 years we're going for, 1 year? 2 years, 108. Right. So, my dear friends, I know we haven't reached half as yet because our full 108 will be on the 6th of December of 2022. So, we commence this by everybody putting their hands together, closing the physical eyes. As we concentrate and meditate upon that Divine Master, just come slacken us here for me a little bit. So welcome again this evening. Pandit Jai have completed puja since 5 o'clock. Doing puja, and we now finish the puja. So now we have our real congregational satsang. गजाननं भूतगणादिसेवितं कपेतजम्बोफलसारभक्षणम् उमासुतं शोकविनाशिकारकं नमामि विघ्नेश्वरपारपङ्कजम् या देवी सर्वभूतेषु सरस्वतीरूपेण संस्कृतं नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः. ॐ गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुर्साक्षात् परं ब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः. नागेन्द्रहारं त्रिलोचनाय भस्मङ्गरागाय महेश्वराय नित्याय शुद्धाय दिगम्बराय तस्मै नकाराय नमः शिवाय. ॐ अञ्जनीगर्भासन्मुखो वायुपुत्रो महाबलः कुमारो ब्रह्मचारी च हनुमान मे प्रसीद मे. ॐ भूर्भुवस्व तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गदेवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयन् ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ॐ शान्ति 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 हरि ओम। प्रेम से बोले श्री रामचंद्र भगवान की जय। So devotees and friends, last Yatra day we had a wonderful katha, continuing again from Sundarkand. But before we get there this evening, let us now put the hands together, close the physical eyes again, as we all join in, remain Sumiran. Om Jehi Sumirat Jehi Sumirat Siddha ho Gananayak Kari Varabarana Karahoyanu Grahaso रामचंद्र भगवान की। So devotees and friends, So last day, my dear friends, we ended on this wonderful point where Hanumanji fell at the feet of Bhagwan Ram. And he says, this is after Bhagwan Ram told to him, O Hanuman, he says, those who endowed with a body, be he a god, be he a human being or sage, none have put me under obligation as you have, O Hanuman. And I believe that I cannot repay you. And this very, very, words of appreciation from Bhagwan Ram to Hanumanji put Hanumanji into a very, very uncomfortable situation. And Hanumanji, being a self-realized one, knows for a fact, and I say self-realized because Hanumanji lives in the consciousness of Ram and Sita, knows for a fact that ego, that Abhiman, is a very, very easy thing to live. And this is what he called upon, Trahi, Trahi, Bhagavan. Please, with a great amount of love, he fell at the feet of the Lord. And he says, Lord Bhagwan, please help me, help me. Bhagwan says that anything you want, oh Hanuman, I go give you to it. I can't repay you. Ask everything that you want. But here, my dear friends, Hanumanji is saying, help me, dear Lord. Why he is saying, help me, dear Lord? Devotees and friends, this evening's katha, the chaupais to follow, will teach us, all the time we say that we must not have this ego, we must not have this abhiman, this ahamkar. It's dangerous for us. But my dear friends, this evening, Hanumanji and Prabhu Shri Ram is going to teach us how to really take this ego from within us and throw it out. So the Doha commences, my dear friends, with us Hanumanji telling us that the very first thing is that to get this abhiman or this ego is such a powerful thing that we need the power of God, we need the help of God, we need the protection of God to help us out of this. How it will happen, my dear friends, the katha now will tell to us. But before we get into that katha, there is a wonderful bhajan which will introduce this katha, which I want, long time I haven't seen a bhajan. And it says here, Hamare Prabhu, O my Lord, our guna chittanad haru. Do not allow my mind to be contaminated with negative qualities. Samudar si hai tumhara, chahe tu par karo. That, dear Lord, you see all with equal vision. Please take me across the ocean of this world. And then it continues to say, Ek nadiya ek narak kahvata, melo neer bhayo. Jab mil gayo, tab ek varnam ganga naam paro. It says here, when all the waters of all the different streams end in the Ganga, when you pick it up from the Ganga, you would not identify that water as this water come from this river and that tributary. No. All then becomes Ganga Jal. So too, my dear friends, he is saying, when you pull your devotion, you see, this devotion of ours, it must be integrated. It must be integrated. So all the yogas, and I want you to follow it very carefully, and you wouldn't get it like this anymore. All the yogas, my dear friends, are like the different tributaries. So you have Karma Yoga, you have Bhakti Yoga, you have Dhyan Yoga, you have Raj Yoga, you have Kriya Yoga. All these, my dear friends, are the different aspects. But if you only perform Karma Yoga without Bhakti Yoga, then, my dear friends, you will be missing some of the ingredients to get that water into the mainstream, which is the Brahman, to take you to that state of Brahman. So we have to integrate all together. You have to do some Bhakti Yoga, you have to do some Karma Yoga, you have to do some Jnana Yoga. And when you pull all together, your actions will be so integrated that it becomes one. And then, my dear friends, you will not be seeing Hinduism, you will not be seeing Christianity, you will not be seeing Islam, but you will be seeing God. So when it comes from all the different tributaries, devotees and friends, it comes to spirituality. So spirituality does not break up. Then it tells to us, that एक लोहा पूजा में रखता, एक घर बधी का पायो. It says that a piece of iron, you can take that piece of iron and you can make a nice trishul and pray to Lord Shiva. But you could take the same piece of iron and you could make a spear. And when you make the spear and you go hunting, what you do with it? You don't pray to Lord Shiva there when you're going in the forest hunting with the spear. No. You stab the animals, cause them pain. So it says the same thing in this world. The same prayer that you say that you can use. You can pray to God, the same mantra you can pray to God, and the same mantra can go in a different mode, which could cause you to hurt others. The same voice God have given to you can give you words that will lift you in the path of God. The same voice can cause pain and destruction to others. And that is what that verse tells to us. So it tells to us here, that this Maya is so great that we come to you, dear Lord, as a beggar, and we ask of you, take us across this shore and merge us with you, dear Lord. And this is the beautiful words of this wonderful bhajan. हे हमारे प्रभु, अवगुण चित न लो. हे हमारे प्रभु, अवगुण चित समधर्षि है नाम तुम्हारा, चाहे तो पर एक नदिया एक नरक मेलो नीर भरो नाम तुम्हारा जब मिले गयो तब एक न वर्णव्यो गंगा नाम पायो नाम तुम्हारा हे हमारे प्रभु अब गुण चित ना धरो समदर्शी है नाम तुम्हारा समदर्शी है नाम तुम्हारा चाहे तो पर करो नाम तुम्हारा हे हमारे प्रभु अब गुण चित ना एक लोह पूजा में रखयाता एक गर्भदिका पायो एक लोह पूजा में रखयाता एक गर्भरिका पायालो यादु वेद परस नहीं रखाता कंचन करत हे हमारे प्रभु अब गुण चित ना धरो समदर्शी है नाम तुम्हारा समदर्शी है नाम तुम्हारा चाहे तो पर करो नाम तुम्हारा हे हमारे प्रभु अब गुण चित ना धरो हे हमारे प्रभु अब गुण चित ना धरो समदर्शी है नाम तुम्हारा चाहे तो पर करो नाम तुम्हारा हे हमारे प्रभु अब गुण चित ना धरो यह माया ब्रह्म जल निवारो भीकरी सिंह सागर आओ यह माया ब्रह्म जल निवारो भीकरी सिंह And with this wonderful, meaningful bhajan, my dear friends, I commence this evening discourse. And it says, Jai Ram Sita Rama, Jaya Jaya Rama, Shri Rama Jaya Rama, Jaya Jaya Rama. Bar bar Prabhu chahe utava, prema magana tehi utabhana bhava. Jai Rama Bole Shri Ram Chandra Bhagavan ki. So devotees and friends, Hanumanji, save me, trahi, trahi Bhagavan. Bar bar Prabhu chahi utava. Prema magan tehi utab na bhava. It says, my dear friends, Hanumanji fell to the ground. He bowed to Bhagwan with a great amount of love from his heart. Prabhu karapankaj kapite sisa, sumiriso das magan gaurisa. The divine Lord, my dear friends, Prabhu Shri Ram is trying to lift Hanumanji now. And for nothing, my dear friends, could the Lord lift Hanumanji. Why? My dear friends, when one is filled with this love in their heart, my dear friends, the love that Hanumanji had in his heart, he moved from where Prabhu Shri Ram was just, and he went straight, my dear friends. And he placed in his heart that absolute Lord, that Brahman, that Ishwar, that one who is walking there, Prabhu Shri Ram. That is what he is. So when Hanumanji, with that great amount of love, exceedingly amount of love, filled in his heart, the Lord could not lift him. Devotees and friends, this here is the very second time that the Lord made an attempt to lift Prabhu Shri Ram and Hanumanji, and he could not. The very first time is when they met in Kiskinda. And why, my dear friends? We must take our love for God beyond the limits and take it totally. And this is what Hanumanji did in the beginning of Kiskinda, when he recognized that it was Prabhu Shri Ram and Lakshman, that absolute Lord, walking like ordinary beings. And here come back again, my dear friends. He fell at the feet of the Lord because the Lord gave him praise because of his task. And so too, my dear friends, the Lord will praise each and every one of us for what we do, but we must not allow it to override our minds and lift us into that state of ahamkar, or what we call the abhiman. We must not let that ego, that ahamkar, grow out of proportion. And devotees and friends, it can easily happen. So here, my dear friends, how the Lord then got Hanumanji. It says, he simply touched Hanumanji on his head a little bit, and there Hanumanji, my dear friends, was able to come. So Shiva Bhagwan is speaking to Gauri Mata, or Parvati Devi, and he had to stop. It says Bhagwan Shiva was overcome with emotions as he recalled he was giving this katha. So my dear friends, these words are the direct words of Bhagwan Shiva. It says as he was relating these words, he was overcome with emotion as he recalled Hanumanji's enviable lot. It says that if, when you saw the kind of love that Hanumanji had for Prabhu Shri Ram, it is an enviable lot. Prem se bole Shri Ram Chandra Bhagavan ki. Savadhan man kari puni shankar. So it says, after Shiva Bhagwan came out of that emotion, so it tells you, when emotions, this is a great lesson, come back here, It tells us, so Tulsidas, he didn't mention this for nothing, He told us Shiva Bhagwan, as he was given an account of how Hanumanji and Prabhu Sri Ram, how Hanumanji was overcome with this love and so on. He was just given the account and the emotion came. So he stopped, which tells to us that when we are in that mode of emotion, stop quiet. Don't say a next word. Because it says here, when Lord Shiva recovered himself, Shiva Bhagwan resumed the most charming narrative. And there he said, at that point the Lord lifted up Hanuman and pulled him to the bosom. Then he took him by the hand and seated him very close to him. My dear friends, when you become a servant of God, that is where you sit. You sit next to the Lord. But you devotees and friends, how many of us act on emotions? When you act on emotions, so many different things happen. Shiva Bhagwan teaches his emotion override him, not of a wrongdoing, but recounting the love of Hanumanji for Sri Ram. He too felt that emotion of love for Bhagwan. And so, my dear friends, after recovering himself, then he continued the charming narrative. And he says, then he gave how the Lord lifted him and pulled him together and put him on the side. Kahu kapi Ravana palit Lanka, kehi bidhi dehehu Durga ati bhanka. So he told to him, he said, tell me na Hanuman, Kahu kapi, tell me, how could you burn down Ravan's stronghold of Lanka? This fortress, this fort of Lanka, nobody could break through that, but how you alone break it through? That fortress of Lanka is so powerful. Yet still, O Hanumanji, I want to know, how could you have done this? Prabhu prasanna jana Hanuman, bol bachan bikhat abhimana. Devotees and friends, he says, when Hanuman found the Lord so pleased, he replied in words, bole bachan bikhat abhiman. The word bikhat means free. Free from all pride. He then says, dear Lord, this is what happened. And we will listen now as I read 3. Let me read the verse for you now. Jaya Rama Sita Rama, Jaya Jaya Rama, Jaya Jaya Rama. Prabhutai. Bol.
Jai Rama Sita Rama Jaya Jaya Rama Jai Rama Sita Rama Jaya Jaya Rama.
Prem se bole Shri Ramchandra Bhagavan ki jai. So devotees and friends, so he pulled himself together and then he spoke to the Lord. Says, Lord, it is no great deal for a monkey to hop from one bough to another. I hope I get it correct. But it means it is not a great deal for a monkey to flip from one place to another. So I leaped across and burned the golden city. Nisichar Gana Bhadi Bipan Ujara. He said, I also killed some of the demons. I also laid waste the Ashoka Grove. So sab tawa pratap ragurayi. Nat na kachu mori prabhutai. He say, but dear Lord, it was all due to your grace. No credit, my Lord, is due to me for the same. And devotees and friends, this is how you have to start. This is how you have to start, my dear friends, to release this ego from you. You have to stop identifying the actions as just yours. The actions are yours, my dear friends, however, only by the grace of the Lord. If we did not have the grace of the Lord, we could not have been here. There is a verse, my dear friends, in Balkan, very early in the Ramayana, which tells to us, not as much as a blade of grass moves without the grace of the Lord. And Hanumanji recognized that. Hanumanji is telling us to save ourselves from that very destructive thing of the I and the mine and the you and the yours. You have to, first of all, recognize and appreciate that there is a supreme force, there is a supreme power, whatever name of God you want to call him by. There is a supreme force and there is a supreme power, my dear friends, which is the cause for us putting together all our activities which bring success or failure to us. Prem se bole Shri Ramchandra Bhagavan ki jai. So devotees and friends, you know, this one katha have so much a lesson into it. This Hanumanji is teaching us is to reach into that state of God's realization, spiritual realization. Swami Abhedananda in 1906 is telling to us, and this is his experience. And he's saying, the state of spiritual realization, the light of the Supreme Being will descend. In that light, all darkness will vanish. And through the light of divinity, wisdom will come. We will be able to see things as they are in reality and not as they appear to our senses. So, devotees and friends, he's telling to us here, each individual, this light of divinity will come. And so, my dear friends, spiritual realization brings the solution of all these problems which the world presents to us from time to time. Live and think about only these worldly things, my dear friends. And at the end of each one, there is a problem. Enjoy the nice food. At the end of that too, there is a problem. Because it will get you sick because you go overeat when you're enjoying it. Yeah. So enjoy everything, my dear friends, in this world, and you will see that all this world brings is problems at the end. It is only, my dear friends, when you bring the spiritual light, you allow the spiritual light to descend into you. It is then you will find these answers. But how are you to do that? The question arises, how can this realization be attained? Yes, what I'm talking about is something very, very magnanimous to reach to this point. For this light to descend within us without having the hindrance of the worldly things. You see, devotees and friends, it says here, the millionaire who owns the riches of a whole world, that riches become his relation. That go get him sick one day. Ravi, you believe money will get you sick one day? Yes. Money will get us sick one day because when we had too much and we continue to spend lavishly, and it had no more, you get sick. You get all kind of headache, you knock your head on the wall, sir duni pachitai, kalahi karmahi ishwarahi. Then you start blaming everybody. You start blaming everybody. You have problems with everybody, but you want to check yourself and see how that money give you the problem. So when you have a lot of money and the money finish, you want plenty more money so you could do anything else to get that money. And that is what Swami Abhedananda is telling to us. Be aware. All these things. Or if you had millions, you become a billionaire, and it moved from billionaire into millionaire, you're worried about that too. You're ready to dead. Principle Shri Ramchandra Bhagavan ki. So devotees and friends, wife, children, everybody, these relationships, these blood relationships, my dear friends, what does it produce? I want to ask the question this evening. You know, I'm glad she in the kitchen, she won't hear me. But my dear friends, how would a blood relation, be it your child, be it your parents, be it whoever it may be, your wife, how will a blood relation help you to lift your soul? You think Denise could help you lift your soul? She go lift she own. If you don't want to lift yours, she leave you right behind. Go ahead, stay there. And then if she want to play a little foolish now, she go stay with you there, and what happen? When the man drunk in the water, I push my hand to save you and you don't want to come out, what to do? If I hold on your hand, where I going? I going down too, but if I lift off, then I could save myself. It's the same thing, my dear friends. In this spiritual world, sometimes as leaders, we don't give up. We don't give up. But we cannot allow ourselves to get drowned. When you're holding the hands of others to lift them out of the world, and they do not want to lift themselves, you cannot allow yourself to be drowned, because in trying to save one, you'll be destroying the hope of all those hundreds who are there hoping that you will save them one day. Prem se bole Shri Ram Chandra Bhagwan ki Jai. So devotees and friends, the Katha continues and it tells to us, it says, yes, this realization can be attained. It is nothing beyond our reach. It is right with our reach. It is within our reach. But my dear friends, if something is within our reach, and it's right here, but you're just a half inch away from it, if you tiptoe, you will hold on and pull up. But you're lazy and you don't want to hold on to pull up, what's going to happen? You will remain right there sinking dead. And this is what's happening to a lot of us. A lot of us who want to travel the spiritual path, my dear friends. You have all the heavy weight of the world into you. And Guruji is holding your hand and pulling you. And you are pulling him down. And you're not lessening the weight. If you don't lessen the weight, then Guruji will let you down there too. He would not have a choice. Prem se bole Shri Ram Chandra Bhagwan ki. So devotees and friends, the first thing to have this realization is that you must know that you have to start silencing yourself. For this can only be attained in full silence. This silence or tranquil state of mind, my dear friends, it is that state in which the inner nature is not disturbed. So our inner being must not be disturbed by any of the passion, by the desires, or the ambitions like anger, hate, jealousy, envy, attachment to material things. Devotees and friends, you must release that. You must allow your mind, that inner silence. And once you have anger, once you have hate, once you have jealousy, once you have that attachment, once you have that passion, that desire, your mind becomes very, very, very agitated. Devotees and friends. So there must be perfect stillness in the soul, and then you will hear God whispering in your ear. If I should cut this mic off and you all start talking there, and I whispering all the holy and nice words here, do you think you will hear it? No, you would not hear it. You may hear one word in between, so you will not be able to put it together and assimilate it together. But if you remain silent, and I make the extra effort and I push my voice, what will happen? Wouldn't you not hear my voice? So the Lord, my dear friends, is waiting to speak to us. In fact, He is speaking to us. But because our mind is so crowded, we do not hear the Lord speaking to us. Our mind is really crowded, my dear friends. Ravi, if I called any one of you here now, my dear friends, and tell to you, are you hearing the Lord speaking to you? You know what you will tell to me? Yes, Baba, I hearing the Lord speaking to me. And He's telling me that I will get money on so and so date, because that is the uppermost thought in your mind. I will get the new motor car that they're looking, because that's the upper, the thought on your mind. But dear, my dear friends, if you really want to hear what the Lord have to tell to you, then with disinterested love, your love must not be attached to any worldly thing. Leave it there, my dear friends, and go in that moment of stillness and silence, and you will listen to the Lord speaking. That is why I started by telling to you that this divinity must be an integration of all the yogas. It must be an integration. The karma yoga, of what use it is, I am being of service to you, and I have no love in my heart. I have no love in my heart. Will you feel that help that I'm giving? No. If I do not help one with love from my heart, my dear friends, that person will feel better off if they didn't get the help. Of course. Principal Shridham Chandra Bhagavan Ki. So devotees and friends, we must release ourselves. You see, I had so much to tell to you all this evening. My dear friends, we must listen. This sacred chamber, this sacred chamber of man or woman of the world is packed up from the floor to the ceiling with worldly thoughts and ideas, without an inch left vacant. I want you, my dear friends, to do a little homework. All right, Dylan? And I want you to check and see how many thoughts are there in your mind, and you will see the thousands of thoughts there. Where you go find a place in your heart there for God now? Your mind have so much thing, it's full with so much things. Where are you going to find that place for God? So tomorrow we start our Navratri Yajna. We start our Navratri Yajna. It's a big sacrifice. And I want to tell all those sitting down home in your couch and watching and listening to Pandit is not the sacrifice you have to make. Pandit will continue to be here, and I will finish on time, that we will give you at least 2 hours to reach home. Yes, we will give you 2 hours to reach home. When you go to visit Mausi and Pupa and Pupu and your friends, you just take 1/2 hour to rush home. But when you come to the Yajna Shala, Pandit, listening, we have curfew 10 o'clock, and it's now 7 o'clock. But 7 o'clock, you're now reaching by the friends and the family to line. And then when it's 8:45, you want to rush home. And you go find yourself in trouble and difficulties. So my dear friends, again, I want to tell to you, we here at Dharam Ki Awaj, if not 100%, but very close to that, we are maintaining all the protocols. We had a manual test for your temperature. We feel that, okay, somebody else will come too close to you. We get an automatic one. When you go all over the place and walk in the streets, which are full with people now, you have no automatic temperature gauge. But you sit down in your couch now and Pundit Jai and myself and the few people who hear, we must be able to build that vibration and send it for you in your couch. I go send it still though. But I want to tell to you that is not the sacrifice you have to make as a devotee. Get up and reach here. Because from tomorrow, my dear friends, this yajna is dedicated in emptying our minds. It is dedicated to emptying your minds. Dinesh, that is not for you, my son. I know from Port of Spain to reach down here what it is. I worked in Port of Spain. I know what it is. But there are so many who could be here and not making the effort to be here. But I always say, if I had 10, it's the same message all you're going to get. And if I have 2, it's the same message. And if I had 200, it's the same message. And if it's 2,000, it's the same message. I am not saying this because I want to see people full here. We are only going 25%. But my dear friends, I want you benefit from this effort that Dharam Ki Awaaz is going to make. This is an effort, my dear friends. It's very rare it happens. Prem se bole Shri Ram Chandra Bhagwan ki. And Dharam Ki Awaaz is giving us this opportunity. Let us not miss it. So my dear friends, tonight, if your sleep self is okay, but I want you start looking at the 1,000,001 thing you have in your mind and start bringing up some of the things that you feel is not necessary. And from tomorrow, we'll start throwing out that. I hope at the end of the 9 days, we'll empty and we'll put a place in our heart for the Divine Mother or the Divine Shakti, the Divine Consciousness to flow within us. My dear friends, I do the Doha already? So we do the Doha and we conclude. This katha still has so much to say, but we'll hear about it next time. कहु प्रभु कछु अगमना वृंदावन कृष्ण चंद्र की जय। बोलो भाई सब संतन की जय। यावजु रामचंद्र जी की जय। प्रेम से बोले श्री रामचंद्र भगवान की। And from next day we will take up from that doha. And next Tuesday we'll only do Hanumanji Puja together with Durga Ma Puja, and we will be doing Durga Katha. We'll do in Devi Puran Katha from tomorrow for the 9 days. On the 10th day will be our Visarjan, and we look forward for that. Prem se bole Shri Ramchandra Bhagwan ki jai. Pavan Putra Hanuman ki Havan jai. Come on, let's put down this day. Uncle Jai go do the arati after. Hawan. You're looking for. This one folded, man.
यादेव वृत्तजम होतरम रत्नादातम श्री अगनये नमः. Water on the fire. Om Gange cha yamune chaiva Godavari Sindhur Kaveri Jali Ishmin Shanidhim Kuru. On the fire. Om Yani Kani Chapa Pani Janmantara Kritani Chatani Tani Vinishyanti Pradakshana Prade Prade. Alright, water on the fire. पापम पाप कर्मा पाप संभवत्रायि मां पुंडरीयाक्षम सर्व पाप हरो हरि ओम. Offering the fire now. Om प्रजापते नमः स्वाहा सोमाये नमः स्वाहा इंद्राये नमः स्वाहा बृहस्पत्याय नमः स्वाहा गुरु चरण कमलभ्यो नमः स्वाहा. ओम नमः शिवाय स्वाहा. ओम नौ ग्रह देवताभ्यो नमः स्वाहा. नौ दुर्गा देवी माताभ्यो नमः स्वाहा. भगवते वासुदेवाय नमः स्वाहा. क्रीम कृष्णाय नमो नमः. रामदूत विद्महे कपिराजा धीमहि तन्नो हनुमन्ता प्रचोदयात् स्वाहा. ओम ऐं ह्रीं हनुमते नमः 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 स्वाहा. Right, next. Come now. 5 times each. Om. Right. Come next. Come in. Om Ham Hanumate Namah Swaha. Om Aim Brim Ramaduta Vidmahe. Om Aim Brim Hanumate Namah Swaha. 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 Anjani Garva Samyuktam Vayuputra Mahabalam Kumarastam Cha Sri Hanumate Pratigrihatam Anjani Garvaye Namah. Om Aim Brim Hanumate Ramadutaye Namah Swaha. 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 ॐ ऐं ह्रीं हनुमते रामदूताय नमः स्वाहा 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 नेक्स्ट ॐ ऐं ह्रीं हनुमते रामदूताय नमः स्वाहा 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 ॐ ऐं ह्रीं हनुमते नमः स्वाहा ॐ ऐं ह्रीं हनुमते रामदूताय 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 नमः स्वाहा ॐ ऐं ह्रीं हनुमते स्वाहा ॐ ऐं ह्रीं हनुमते रामदूताय नमः 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 स्वाहा ओम ऐं ब्रीं हनुमते रामदूताय नमः स्वाहा। 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 ओम सर्वेभ्यो देवेभ्यो नमः स्वाहा। सर्वेभ्यो ब्रह्मणेभ्यो नमः स्वाहा। संवै पूर्णकं स्वब्रह्मर्पणं ब्रह्मवि ब्रह्मगणो ब्रह्महुतं ब्रह्मतीनि वैज्ञञ्च ब्रह्मकर्मा समाधिना स्वाहा। ओम वाटर ऑन द फायर। पापोहम पाप कर्मा पाप संभवत्रा इमां पुंडरीकाक्षं सर्व पाप हरो हरि गंगा जलम पावित्रम श्री हनुमते होम बलिदानम तुभ्यं समर्पयामि नमः। ओम। अच्छा, आरती टाइम।
तो बोले श्री गणेश भगवान की जय। So my dear friends, I am owing to Ganesh Murthy to Videsh and his Dulhin, so I asked both of them to come up now. And I was out of Murthy, I catered for 40 and we reached 45. And I'm still taking because the next puja, the first Ganesh puja will be on the 24th of October. So I could still take a few more still. So this is for you. You get yours already, yes, sir? And, right. And this is for you. Prem se bole Sri Ganesh Bhagwan ki. So I'm only owing now for Priya, Cecilia, and Deborah. So Cecilia and Deborah, if I get 5 days off, I'll be in Florida and bring it for you. If you had to pay $2,000 to send it with FedEx, and best you travel and go and come back. So Pandit Jai will lead us out in the Arti. Coconut to crack. Yeah. Take up. leave this one there? All right, go ahead. Pray now in your own words. Nice, Roshan, have a next one there too. Oh. Well. Pray now in your own words. Somebody else left a coconut there? All those who have your coconuts, come. All right. You all pray now in your own words. Whatever wish, desire you all have, make it there now. Om Sri Krishna Krishna Sagyai Pavitya Mamasya Vidya Pradveshi Divala Kalipate Saptami Vaivasman Vantar Kalipatam Charane Jambu Dvipe West Indies Kande Arivatari Ke Desh Antargati Trinidad Desh Hari Om Namo Narayanaya Namo Namaham 56 Mapipi Road Whiteland Kshetre Hari Om Tat Sat Govindaya Namo Namaha Om Anjani Garbhasana Mukho Vayu Putro Mahabal Kumaro Brahmachari Cha Hanuman Me Prasidha Me. Whatever wish, desire you all have. Sarvesham Mangalam. Sarveshantu Niramaya Sarve Badrani Pashyantu Ma Kachittu Kubhave. Hari Om Tat Sat Om Sri Nariyal Danam Pratigrihitvam. Prem Sabule Pavana Putra Hanuman Ki Jai. Crack them one by one and start the arati. All those who are sitting, please stand.
निश्चय प्रेम प्रतितीते विनय करे सनमान कहि के कार्य सकल शुद्ध सिद्धि करे हनुमान सिद्धि करे हनुमान श्री राम जय रामा जय जय रामा जय राम श्री राम जय जय रामा
श्री राम जय राम जय जय रामा श्री राम जय राम जय जय राम
आरती की जय हनुमान लला की आरती की जय हनुमान लला
जय हनुमान लला की
आरती की 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 जय हनुमान लला की
अंजनी पुत्र महाबलदामा अंजनी पुत्र महाबलदामा देवपुत्र के सदा संहारा आरती की जय हनुमान लला की
आरती की जय हनुमान लला की
दुष्ट दलना रघुनाथ लला की
दुष्ट दलन रघुनाथ करा की
लक्ष्मण मंडित धीर सुरालयित जीवन प्राण उबारा आरती की जय हनुमान लला की
आरती की जय हनुमान
बैठी पताल तोरा यमकारा अहि रावण की भुजा उहारा आरती की जय हनुमान लला की
दलन रघुनाथ
लला की
रघुनाथ
लला सुर मुनि मन जन आरती उतारे सुर मुनि मन जन आरती उतारे जय 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 कृपा राज उतारे आरती की जय हनुमान लला की
रघुनाथ लला की रघुनाथ लला
कंचन तरन कपूर संहारे आरती करत अंजनी माई आरती की जय हनुमान लला की
आरती की जय हनुमान लला
जो हनुमान की आरती गावे वसी वैकुंठ परम पद पावे
राम
राम राम राम जय जय राम राम राम
राम राम राम जय जय राम राम राम
राम राम राम जय राम राम राम
सीता राम 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 जय जय राम राम राम
रघु राम 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 रघु राम राम राम
सीता राम 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 रघु राम राम राम
राधे श्याम 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 राधे श्याम श्याम श्याम
राधे श्याम 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 राधे श्याम श्याम श्याम
राधे श्याम सीताराम 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 राधे श्याम सीताराम 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 जय जय राम
श्री राम जय राम जय जय राम
श्री राम जय राम जय जय राम
श्री राम जय
Let us close in prayer. Tvameva mata cha pita tvameva, tvameva Jessica Tvameva Vidya Dravinam Tvameva Sarvam Mama Deva Deva Asaturma Satagamaya Tamasurma Jyotirgamaya Mityorma Amritam Gamaya Mrityurma Amritam प्रभु रामचंद्र की जय, पवन पुत्र हनुमान की जय, पितृदेव भगवान की जय, रणम गोविंदा गोविंदा, हर 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 पार्वती पते, हर हर महादेव, काशी विश्वनाथ की जय, सनातन धर्म की जय, सकल पंच की जय जय सीताराम। Over to Pandit Vishnu.
Prem se bole Ramchandra Bhagavan ki jai. So devotees and friends, what a wonderful evening we had again. Tomorrow evening, what time puja will start, Pandit? 5 o'clock. No, so Judgman will be here for 5 o'clock. Pandit will be here. If you tell he 4 o'clock, he would be here before. But we'll start the puja 5 o'clock, so that by 6:30 we should have all our offerings. 6:30 to 7:30 we'll have 1 hour of reading, and that's, so we inviting everyone to be out for 6:30. So 6:30 to 7:30. But if you want to make your offerings, please come a little before, so that you can make your offerings. Pandit will have it ready. So if from about quarter to 6 or so, you should be here if you want to make offerings of your Sahari, Lapsi, and so on, coconut. We invite everybody to make sure if you can't make your Sahari and Lapsi, walk with at least a coconut to offer to the Divine Mother. And we will discover the greatness of her devotion. And, as I told to you, we are going to do how to worship her, and that will tell you how to empty this crowded mind of ours with all the worldly things into it. Sitaram. And to all our people, puja will not be coming virtual. I want you have to come to the mandir to do the puja. And I want to remind all devotees again who are accustomed with our Navaratri celebration. We are here at